Hi friends, this is Shiva. Today we are running an Nginx container and eh, we are going inside the Nginx container by using the interactive terminal and change the HTML file content. That's it for today's class. Let's go into the session. First we have to run the Nginx container. Docker run name of the container, detached mode, port mapping, image name. To see the running containers, Docker container ls, go to the Google and check the localhost. It's showing welcome to Nginx. Now uh, we can understand Nginx is working. Now we have to go inside the Nginx container by using the interactive terminal. Docker execute interactive terminal, container name my Nginx, bash, using bash. We are inside the Nginx. So to edit the HTML file, we have to go to the location, change directory /user /share /nginx/html. They are the files. To edit the content in the index.html file, we have to install VAM editor. So apt get update. First we have to give the apt get update command. It will update, and now we have to update the install the VAM. Apt get install VAM -y. This command will install the VAM editor. After installing the VAM editor, give VAM index.html. We are inside the HTML file. See, welcome to Nginx. This is the HTML file content what you have viewed in localhost 8888. This is the content for that web page. So to edit the web page, to delete this content, colon %t, click enter, and the content will be deleted. To edit, insert mode. To edit the content, we have to give insert mode. To go into the insert mode, we have to click I. When we click I, it will go to insert mode, and now we can edit the content. /h1 index heading header Welcome. By using the cat command, you can view the content. So now go to the web page. See, refresh the web page. See, welcome. It will show the command welcome. To come out of the running container without to run to come out of the running container without uh, deleting or stopping the container. If we type exit command, it will the container will also stop. Without stopping the container, we have to come outside of the container. By clicking Control P plus Control Q, we can come out of an container. But the container is running. Docker container ls. The container is running. To stop the container, docker stop my Nginx. So it will stop the Nginx container. To start the container, docker st start my Nginx. See, first after stopping the container, we can't reach the page. Now we are starting container. Same container. After starting the container, type command. We will go into the web page. Docker rm -f. We are deleting the container. That's it for today's class. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.